Hey guys, Dr. Rick here with another Dental Health Week video for you. This is the Philips Sonicare, the greatest, smartest, and most effective toothbrush on the market at the moment. I want to talk to you real quick about how much I like it and why. Now, the reason that I really like the Philips Sonicare series is because it very directly addresses the problems that my patients have with brushing their teeth with a manual toothbrush. With a manual toothbrush, you'll come across basically two main problems. You're either brushing too hard or you're not brushing enough and missing spots. The too hard is addressed by all of these toothbrushes have a sensor that change the way that the bristles are activating on the tooth. If you're pressing too hard with the toothbrush, you won't have toothbrush abrasion anymore. The amount of energy that comes out of it when it is on is humongous. It's closer to my professional cleaning ultrasonic instrument than it is to you using your hand and the amount of energy that comes out of that. The amount of energy that comes out of this during one brush is the same as you do with a manual toothbrush in a month. So it's a head and shoulders above what you could clean with a manual toothbrush. That, combined with the fact that it has a timer, that means that you will spend 4 times 30 seconds cleaning 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants in your mouth, means you're much less likely to be missing spots as you would with a manual toothbrush or not brushing for long enough. They're the basic reasons why this really should be the next toothbrush that you buy. If you have other questions, please let me know. Hopefully this has helped. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you got something out of this video or if you enjoyed it, please share it with your friends. Otherwise, there's much more on our channel right here. There's another one there. And there's one more right there. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Keep smiling.